ladies and gents, so we're coming to you with the third Dollar Tree dig kit. So this one has the Sphinx on it, and let's get started. And we have a brick on standby for frustration.
Can I get a big hammer?
No.
No.
I'm going to guarantee that he's going to get frustrated and want to... Is it even doing anything?
We're not using the brick until I get really frustrated.
Truthfully, is it really doing anything? No, this one's a super hard one.
No.
Go ahead and try it, but it's not going to do anything. I really think that this is not a good one. My review on these dig kits, it's super hard. It's almost like cement. Whatever they did to make the brick, they used too much of the ingredients to make it. Yep, frustration time coming on.
No, it isn't. Not until I say.
Move your hand so I can see the damage you've done. Barely any!
Still no. Wrong one.
Can I bust it now?
No. No, you don't have part in the destruction, as I say.
Come on, hurry up!
No.
Hurry up! Oh, you have a little tiny chip off. Tiny.
He's tripping it off. Wow. He's actually tripping it off.
Can I smash it now?
No.
I want to Hulk smash it.
No.
I want to Hulk smash it.
No. It's fine.
I want to Hulk smash it.
It's not going to end up like the other ones. I'm doing it my way.
Hulk smash.
No.
Hulk smash.
When I get angry. Still no. Yeah, I'm not letting you do it. That's so funny.
Still no progress at 4 minutes. At 8 minutes, if it doesn't have any more progress, we are going to Hulk smash it.
Oh, he actually said against the thing. A
Ooh!
little bit. He's actually doing pretty good.
I'm wondering what he's going to get.
Yeah.
It's got to be Sphinx related. Can we Hulk smash it now?
Still no.
Come on. I want to Hulk smash it. Come on up with your head a little bit. I don't need your head in the way.
Blow it. It's so dusty. I want to see how far you get. Oh, it's making a big old progress. Okay.
At the 5-minute mark, we've gotten it to there. And it's going to be a Sphinx. Can I Hulk smash it now?
No.
You're at 8 minutes. When you're at 8 minutes, I'm taking
10.
over. I'm taking over at 8.
No, I'm smashing it.
I'm smashing it.
Me.
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 It's mine, not yours.
I bought it, so.
The time at.
6 minutes.
Let's sit in.
Seriously?
Serious. He's taking so long.
Okay, Hulk smash now. Move.
I look at it. No, we're doing the rest. I'm doing the rest. No more Hulk. Yeah, I'm breaking it free. I am not. No.
We got a stress crack right there. Pull it. Pull it. We got a stress crack. Woo-hoo!
I'm keeping it. Now, it's mine. Can I keep it?
Well, once I take a end shot with all of the...
I didn't even do anything.
There we go. We got a little Sphinx.
It's done.
A little Sphinx. So we need the other 2 pieces from the other... La 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 la. So we got a... La la la. We got a Sphinx, a mummy, and a pyramid with a bunch of other Egyptian symbols. And then a more expensive dig kit, we got 3 plastic gems. But pretty good for $1. Just be prepared to do Hulk smash. Okay, love you. See you in the next video. Bye.